thought I'd take time from my busy schedule to make a quick video today. I wanted to reshare my everyday carry pocket survival kit. It's a combination urban and wilderness survival kit because on a typical day I never know where I'll end up and maybe need help. Because of its size, it's obviously going to have limitations compared to bigger kits. For example, I do a lot of driving, so I have plenty of survival gear in my car. I also do a lot of backpacking and bushcrafting, and my backpack is essentially a giant survival kit. I also do a lot of mountain biking during the summer, and I have a survival kit attached to the back of my bike. These are all high-risk activities, and quite often I leave my car to take pictures as well for my wilderness photography. The last thing I want to do is lose this, so even though this kit is small, it might be my only hope in a bad situation. You'll notice I spray painted the tin a fluorescent pink and added reflective stickers on it as well. I have a single strap holding it together, and I have electrical tape around the outside to help waterproof it, and I can use this tape as well. Here's the contents of my kit all laid out. You can see on the lid of the tin I have a razor blade taped to it. I have a very small kit here with fishing line, fishing hook, needle, thread, a couple buttons, a button compass, a couple of safety pins, a striker. I have a Fox 40 whistle for signaling. I have $22 in cash. This will help me in many situations, maybe an urban situation. I don't know how many times I've gone up to get gas at the gas station to find out that their debit machine isn't working. Always good to have cash with you for many situations. Some waterproof matches. I have a little bit of twine here. This can be used for cordage, or it could be fluffed up and used for tinder. I have a small Bic lighter, bright green so it stands out. A small pencil for writing things down, maybe phone numbers, addresses, license plate numbers, things like that. I have two 70% alcohol pads. These could be used for disinfecting. They can also be used for tinder. These will burn for about 5 minutes each. I have some aqua tabs. I have 8 of them for water purification. I have a multi-tool here, knife, screwdrivers, scissors, saw, that type of stuff. Also have a small piece of a hacksaw blade that gives me the capability to cut through metal, maybe a fence. I have electrical tape here. I have a perfume sample bottle filled with dryer lint and Vaseline. This is a pen for writing things down, a pair of tweezers. I have 2 small zip ties. They got lots of uses. I got about maybe 2 or 3 square feet of tin foil. This could be used for making a makeshift pot. It's not the best thing, but I have a card here with one of my favorite knots, clove hitch. The only problem is I barely use knots, so this is just for a quick reference in case I forget how to do it. Have a bit of first aid here, not much, not bad for a small kit. I have 1 4x4 gauze pad and 2 large bandages. Have a Fresno lens. I have about 4 feet of paracord, and of course you can pull out the inner strands to give yourself possible 30 feet. I have a small Ziploc sandwich bag for water storage. I like obviously something bigger, but for a small kit that's not bad at all. I can also use the tin itself for a container, and I have 2 pieces of paper on the bottom to use with my pencil and paper for writing down things, and on the bottom of that I have a small map of my local area with phone numbers on the back that I might need. I've been carrying this kit with me for the past 4 years now. It's almost twice the size of an Altoids tin, but still thin enough that it fits comfortably inside my pocket. I've never been able to find a good light to fit inside this kit, So I just carry one on my keychain at all times. I hope this video provided some useful information to someone out there, and thanks for watching. I also dawdle. Take 17. Good survival kit. It's a combination urban and wilderness survival kit, because on a typical day I never know where I'll end up and maybe need help.